Want to take a guess at what I got in the mail today? Yes, people, it is finally happening. Finally! So here's the muffler, and already I see a defect before I even installed it. Here, there's a huge gash right here. It looks like someone cut it with like a Dremel and it gouges through this side. I'm not liking that at all. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna message the seller and be like, hey, this came like that. I don't like this. What are you gonna do about it? And I'll tell them, I paid good money for this and I wanted it perfect. So you better do something about it or I'm gonna return this. Installation is real simple. All you gotta do is remove two 14mm bolts. The other hanger is really far away. Holy shit. I don't know how I'm gonna get that one. So it took a while, but it's finally out. Gotta get this hanger off and toss it on the new one. You know, as I say all the time, out with the old and in with the new. Got one of them back on, really easy. It's a bitch to taking them out, but putting them in, really easy. Shit, man. I told you, it's easy as hell putting them on, fucking hard as hell taking them off. Alright, we are done here. Not gonna lie, it looks kind of dinky, kind of small. So yeah, that's the Corolla XRS muffler, TRD. Sounds really, really good. I'm out here in my little area where I don't get bothered by, and I'm able to do lift pulls. So yeah, there's the XRS. Beautiful Altus tails, TRD muffler, engine intake. Next thing is probably gonna be I want to get PPE headers, not headers. And yeah, it's next on the list. Not sure what else to get other than the reflash ECE. I'll probably get in a bit, but who knows? I got other priorities right now on my mind, so it's gonna be set aside because I gotta fix up. If you guys haven't seen on my videos, I got a Corolla parked on the dirt driveway. So I bought this 2003 Toyota Corolla S. It's an automatic. I'm trying to flip it to get some cash and buy some more parts. So hopefully I finish that tomorrow, and I set it off to go get paint because it's almost done, but it's basically done. So that's on the agenda, and I think that's it for this video. I have nothing more to say. Easy bolt-on muffler, didn't take too long. I did get I got $130 back from the eBay guy because of the damage that I got from it. 130 bucks is pretty decent. I mean, you can't really see the cut, but it's one of those things like eBay sellers want to get the positive feedback, so they help out the buyer in any way they can. So take that in note for anyone shopping on eBay with those higher end companies. So yeah, that's gonna end this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please make sure to like this video. Please make sure to leave me a comment, suggestion, share it, subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys for watching.